κόκκινα φεγγάρια, Motorcycle Rock Show.
Ladies and gentlemen, CF Moto CLX 700. And what about it? Ha! I can finish this video in a few seconds. It's not good for the winter time because the air and the wind and the rain is coming from everywhere. It's not good for everyday use because you have no place to put a top box to going to the supermarket. It's not good for anything useful. It's good only to going from the place A to the place B with style. But in that level, I can tell you for sure that there is nothing wrong with this motorcycle. It's got everything excellent. Okay, let's see it. Let's see what we got in this motorcycle. We got this lovely saddle. It's one of the most beautiful saddles that I have ever seen. It's made by leather, it's a suede. It's lovely. Also because we don't have a back fender, we have some tricks to save some water. I don't know if this happened because it's summertime and we don't have rains here. So we got this and this and try to protect us a bit from the water. We have these steppers that is for the dirt because the bike is sideways and it's got a little bit of rubber on it. Also nice stepper with rubber for Georgia, and we have this exhaust that try to look a bit like a Super Tramp. This side covers is made by aluminum, is protecting very well the bike. And what else? We got a single stand. Yeah, we got a fully controlled suspension and front and back. And if I'm going up, I feel really very nice. It's a good position of riding, everything is normal. I have a good saddle, I have a big fat steppers, I have a fat bar, I have a normal clock here, I have a good view back, and I love it. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. And also I am ready for attack anytime I want it. So Georgia, please come.
We can do with this.
I remind you that also we have in a mini clip the Sport model, the Sport CLX, that is got not even position for the second rider. So Georgia, how are you feeling now?
This is a very good seat. Not many seats are like that.
You don't have a handles, of course, you don't have a top box.
No.
But you feel comfortable?
I feel okay, yes. I feel okay for this.
So you can go a bit far away from the city, a bit?
Yes, a bit far away, yes I can.
Okay, thank you Georgia. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, except my lovely face, now you will see also the clock. Okay, what we got in this clock. This is a clock, small one, but we got many functions in this clock. From this button, we change some functions here about the liters per kilometer, per 100 kilometers, you know, about temperature and etc. and clock and etc. Down here, we have the trips of the bike, okay. Here we got RPM counter, kilometer counter, fuel counter, few bliblikia, and let's start it. Okay, now we have Eco and Sport program that we can change it from our left hand, as you can see. Also we can play a little bit more with more functions. And okay, I think that this is a nice clock, Spartan one, nice for the character of this motorcycle. Okay, I feel comfortable, I have a good view back, I'm not protected from the weather, but let's hear the sound. And the sound of this motorcycle is lovely. The gearbox, by the other hand, is not the best possible. So, let's go. Can we change directions easily as the character of the motorbike? Yes, we can do it. And what about the brakes? The brakes are excellent. And the power? Yeah. Lovely engine, lovely. The bike is hot because it's 35 degrees now here of Celsius, and I cannot touch it anyway. And believe me, it's still May, not even summer. Okay, so what about engine? Lovely engine. I love it. Lovely. You have the power, the time that you need it. Very good. So it's 692.2 cubics and give us 74 horses at 8,500 RPM and 68 Nm at 7,000 RPM. Simple things. It's only 193 kilos, of course. It's not even have a fender. 193 kilos heavy, and I have the best opinion for this bike, for this engine, and think that the bike is brand new. It's brand new. We take it with 3,000 kilometers, something like this. So in time we will see for sure more for this from this engine. I love it. Okay, what we got here? Beautiful, very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. We got the clock here that looks nice. We got the light, and like all the lights of the bike and the flash is LED and beautiful. We got the high pressure tubes for the brakes. We got a brake from here from Chihuan, a Spanish company, with a 4-piston caliber. We got protection here for our fork. We got also 2-piston caliber back front. The fork is good enough, is working nicely. The ABS is coming a bit fast. All the others is okay. The exhausts are very beautiful. I don't like the fact that the radiator, the cooler, has got no protection in front of it, and generally I am positive. Okay, this is a high quality bike. Why I'm saying that? Here the metal of the tank and the paint of it, it's nice. Those plastics are fit nice. Those is aluminium cover that protect your bike if you're falling down, and also those stickers are very fat, reminds the motocross motorcycle stickers that also protect the side covers. The saddle, it's one of the most beautiful saddles that I have ever seen, made by leather. We got tires of Pirelli MT that I love them as tires. The fat bar is good. What else? We have position for the second disc brake front, that this is quite good. The exhaust is really beautiful, and the engine looks well painted and everything nice on it. And of course, because always is existing something negative, I don't like the see-through tanks. I am sure that they will destroy it anyway from the sun. We are living here in Hania, and those see-through tanks, I don't think that they will survive. What else I don't like? That's it. That's all. Otherwise, this is a high quality made motorcycle. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, bike for style, for nothing more. Quite clear. We are going from the place A to the place B with style and speed. This is the only limit of this bike. Otherwise, the quality is good. The performance, it's excellent. The brakes are good enough. The position of riding is very good for the rider, and I can say good enough for the second passenger. We cornering nice, and we can do many nice tricks, you know, you understand, with that bike. So, Georgia, wire brakes, nice things.
You're doing tricks.
Yes, yeah. Okay. So, what are you think about this motorcycle, Georgia?
This motorcycle is for tricks.
It's very beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
It's amazing how beautiful it is.
I love the seat.
If the dream of your life is to buy an Indian VTR and you don't have the money for it,
But it's very nice on the road also.
yes, it's amazing.
Very good. I feel it very good. Anytime I want to have power, I have it in the second.
This bike is give you pleasure. It's pleasuredom. Yeah, I like it. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Ioannis and Georgia for Κόκκινα Φεγγάρια Motorcycle Rock Show. Thanks for watching us.
Thanks.
Φύγε γιατί θα πω πείμα.
Oh, brace yourself.
Ανέβηκα σε ένα βουνό πάνω σε μια μικρή κορφούλα. Περίμενα για να περάσει η νεαρή σοφούλα. Αυτή όμως δεν πέρασα και έμεινα μανάτη. Έμεινα να τη θυμάμαι πως είναι μόνο στο μάτι. Peace.